Hello class. I hope this video finds you well rested and ready to learn new things. Conveniently, when planning out Algebra 1B, we had tried to put you in a situation to where you wouldn't have to learn anything new after spring break. We would only be reviewing for your end of course exam. However, your end of course exam was canceled, so that puts us in an interesting situation. We're still going to be doing reviewing, but me and Mr. Meyer decided that it was best to really review the skills that you're going to need for your future math classes. So all the stuff that we're going to be talking about in this review and future reviews till we come back to school are all going to be things that are going to help you be successful in your future math classes. So a lot of it is going to be things that you've already learned before, so you might feel very confident. Other things might be things that you just need to refresh on. So let's talk about what you have to do and how you're going to do it. So if you go to your Canvas page, you'll see your dashboard of all of your classes. Click on Algebra 1B. You'll see my name and it'll say Algebra 1 Part B. It brings you to this home screen. You can either click on Current Unit or you can click on Module. Either one will take you to the same place. Takes you here. Okay, so the module at the top is the current module that we're always going to be working on. Anything down here are things that we've already done and completed. So you don't need to worry about that. We're working on the solving equations at home review. Now, if you notice, some of these are dark and some of these are grayed out. So you have to complete this in sequential order. You can't do it in whatever order you want. So first, you have to click here and you have to watch this video that I have created for you about solving equations and take notes on it. Now, I did provide for you a page right here. If you click on it, you can download it and print it at home if you have that capability. Otherwise, just take notes on a piece of paper. So you'll click the link. This will take you to YouTube, and you can pop this out into an external browser if you prefer, and you'll play this video and take notes. Once you play the video, then when you go back to the module, after a certain amount of time, it will open up a quiz. It says there it's worth 10 points, and you have to score at least a 70. So to move on to the next video, and in turn the next Canvas quiz, and so on and so forth, you have to get at least 7 out of 10 correct on this. And that's how this is going to progress. You have 2 weeks to work on this module, and then, depending on what happens, that will determine the next thing that we review. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And as you're working, if you feel like you're really stuck and you need some extra help, email me and we can try to video chat. Thank you and have a great day. Please make good choices.